We're loving this right now, so maybe a hand drag or a knee knocker. It's electric, yeah. It's electric. Yo guys, what is going on? And thank you for checking out the video. Evening officer, back out on the upgraded Razor MX 500. Not trying to lose my phone today. One day we'll be good at knee knockers. That day though is not today. Let's roll into a circle here. I think I'm gonna go hit the same route that I did last video, which is the Schuylkill River Trail, just because that's a lot of fun. Look how slow we got this though. Oh, now we're getting them locked. Whew. Yeah, I got a medium in these gloves, and oh, that's cool. It says street right there. That's what I'll show a cop if you ask me why I'm on the street. I'm like, dude, I'm wearing my street gloves. Oh, I'll keep going, don't worry. Woo. Hey, check me out on YouTube, Connor G, CONNORG. People are loving this right now, so might as well go play a little more in the skate park. I always love it when people actually like enjoy this. Like, it's never fun when you go right in there and you just don't feel welcome. But if people are like, hell yeah, that's sick, then I'm about it. What's good? How's it going? Thank you, thank you. Oh, it's like the most air I've gotten so far. Ride the quarter pipe. All right, let's go hit the trail. All right, now that was actually the biggest one I've done so far. Oh, this looks so beautiful right now. Wow. It's still really hot out, but it's nice. All right. Yeah, this is, again, the Schuylkill River Trail. This is so fun to ride. Because you don't have to worry about cars and whatnot. It's just people and bicycles. So, like, honestly, I fit in fine. Woo! Okay, now onto my favorite part, the actual, like, water bridge. What more can you ask for? Seriously. Maybe a hand drag or a knee knocker, but... We're just weaving the people now. Coaster, coaster. All right, we got to give our one-handers some attention here. Here's some circles though. Whew. All right, let's redeem ourselves from last video. Get this right hand turn. There we go. Oh my God, wheelies into the freaking skyline, dude. Holy hell. This is so scenic. You know what, guys? I'm feeling generous. I'm gonna give you guys a treat. I'm gonna ride up through the city. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, a dog park too. I kind of forgot all this existed down here. Oh, you know what's up. so upset. Oh, I don't know how he kept that up. We're not being very battery friendly, that's for sure. Oh, that place is packed, Jesus. Alright, I'm going down Market Street because it's so scenic. Look at this, City Hall over there. Get over this little manhole and then we'll do a one-hander, another one. See if we can shoot this gap here. I think we can. We did. Oh, I never would have been able to do this on the Zooms. Thank you, Brad, for telling me to get these. If you guys like Razor content, there's this guy named Brad, aka that Razor kid, who's even better than me. Check out his channel. I'll link it below. Look at this. Gotta get a one-hander for it, dude. There we go, boys. Oh, that's slick. All right, we gotta get a circle around the circle, right? We have to. Circles on a circle. All right, goodbye, City Hall. Hello, Love Park. Oh, yeah. That's all coaster. No throttle, no throttle, no throttle. Yeah, we're getting coasters locked, people. What's up? Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It's little, yeah. It's made for kids. Yeah, I'll show you. You want to see it? Yes, sir. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I feel like Paul's so hard right now. Oh my gosh, look at the sky. That is crazy. I probably just clipped the hell out of the mic, but wow, look at this guy. But yeah, we're getting comfortable with coasters. What I need to do is get good at coasters so then I can learn the throttle, no one-hander. And would you look at that, guys? We're back to where we started. All right, one-handers right here. We gotta do it. Get a picture of me doing a wheelie instead, bro. Yes, sir. I think that was a woman. Yes, woman. She's got an actual stunt bike too. You got it all stunted out. Cage and all, nice. This is a 636, right? Yeah. You want to buy it? No. I just sold my gas bike. You riding around on this bike? Yeah, well. Is that electric? It's electric, yeah. It's like, you know the Suron? Yeah, it's, I mean, I guess this is street legal. I see you have a plate on. Yeah, no, it's like a Suron, except smaller and more fun. Yeah, exactly. It's like the size of a CRF 50, so it's fun. The cops don't bother you at all because it's silent. The CRF 125, they don't care. They don't care about that either, yeah. I mean, they don't really do shit, especially when it's electric. All right, well, have fun. Well, guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So much more content to come. Walk around to this thing coming soon. I just have a few more things I might want to do to it before I do the walk around. We'll see, though. I will catch you next time. Peace. It's electric.